government has said that several combat gaming videos are being deceptively circulated as real footages of recent India-Pakistan conflict and urged people not to fall prey to such propaganda posts. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said that on National Technology Day, India salutes the scientists, engineers and technicians who contribute by developing new technologies for bringing positive change in the lives of countrymen. India Meteorological Department has announced that the southwest monsoon is likely to arrive at the Kerala coast on May 27, 5 days earlier than its usual onset date of June 1st. Union Home Secretary Govind Mohan holds meeting with Chief Secretaries of State sharing borders with Pakistan. Delhi Airport continues to run its operation smoothly. In an advisory, Delhi International Airport Limited said, however, in light of evolving airspace dynamics and heightened security protocols mandated by the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, there may be adjustment to flight schedules and longer wait times at security checkpoints.